Hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. We're at Ross Dress for Less. It is the last week in January and I'm still on the hunt for 49-cent deals or less than $5 deals. It can go as low as 49 cents. Not that everything's gonna be 49 cents, but things should be less than $5. And on the 1st, it is said that they are supposed to have tried to get rid of all their clearance items. So things should be real low by now. I didn't go on Monday. I had someone message me and say that they were there and that they didn't find anything. I had a couple people tell me they did find stuff. I had a friend text me a picture and be like, oh, look, I found something for 49 cents. It was like a wine glass, but I don't know. I just wanna go in and I'm gonna check it out and I'm gonna see if it's not marked down by now. Is it ever gonna be marked down? I don't know. So I'm at a different Ross than I went to last week because when I was at that Ross, I realized when I was there, I didn't see a whole lot that I really wanted anyways. So I didn't think they were gonna get new inventory in that was gonna be marked down that much. So I was like, let's go to a different Ross. So we're at a different Ross in Orange County. Let's go in and see what we can find. Hi, how are ya? Starting at the shoes. I mean, I see clearance items, but I mean, $12.99, $9.99. I mean, I guess that's okay, but you know, under $5. That's what I'm looking for. Under $5. I'm not even looking for 49 cents anymore. I just went under $5. I just went through all the purses. I didn't even find one purse on clearance, which is so unusual. Okay, I started over there in the shoes, looked through the purses, came all the way through the little kids stuff, through some of the home goods stuff, all the way to here. And I finally found something for 49 cents. I don't know why that just feels good, but I don't even want this. There's just little piping cones with gold on it. Actually, they're kind of cute. I did buy some from Michael's that were kind of like this. So, I mean, definitely something I would get. I just don't know if I need them right now. You know what I mean? But the whole goal was to find something for 49 cents. But the fact that I've gone through half the store and this is the first thing I found, I don't know, man. It's not really a good deal. And what's down here? $8.49. Still not past $5. This is just not doing it for me. Okay, just worked my way all the way back up. Went to check out the guys' stuff. Nothing there either, but I got to the dresses in clearance, $2.49. I mean, I don't want it, but it's $2.49. $10.99. $2.49. Again, I don't need that, but let's see. Nope. Nope. $2.99. Still don't want it. Oh my gosh, I just found 49-cent dress. I feel like I don't want it, but I'm excited I found it, you know? It's like a treasure hunt. Nope, $11.99. Okay, now if anything, it should be 49 cents. This top should be 49 cents, and it's only $2.49. That's a cute little sweater. $5.49? I mean, to go with my shoes. I'd get that for $5. Let's put that in the cart. So I'm gonna try on the sweater, and I found 2 other little dresses. My friend's baby shower is this weekend, so I might have found something to wear, but it's not under $5. I love this sweater. It's so cute. Okay, so that was a little bit of a bust. I did get that sweater. I do think the sweater is super cute, but again, it wasn't under $5. It was just a little over $5, but I just don't think that counts. And I did find a few things. I can't say that I didn't find anything, but I don't feel like I found enough to say that they really do discount like crazy in Southern California anyways. Maybe they do that in other states, but here I just haven't seen it. I feel like there still should be, say that they did discount a bunch of stuff and people got here so early in the morning and they grabbed all the good stuff. I feel like there still should be that awful, horrible 49-cent items that nobody wants, even if they're 49 cents, just laying around. And I just didn't see a whole lot. I'm on my way home right now. I'm gonna pass by another Ross. I feel like I just need to duck in there real quick to check it out, to say I gave it the good old college try, to really see if, I'm sure this thing exists. I mean, I've seen many people comment and talk about it and do YouTube videos on how much stuff they're finding. I've seen it with my own eyes, but I just don't know that it really happens in Southern California. And that's what I was trying to test out. So let's go to another Ross and then we'll see. Okay, second Ross. Here we go. Oh my God, Santa. That's a Christmas sweater I can get behind and wear next year. Heck yes. So I did find this dress. I think it was in another color at the other one. And it was about the same price, I think. So that's interesting. I mean, clearly they've got to be on the same page somehow. Look, I found this cute little sweater for $1.49. Just checked out. I basically got 3 sweaters tonight for $9, which is 3 sweaters that I didn't have before, for less than the price of 1 sweater usually. So I think that's pretty good. I mean, were there crazy discounts? Not a whole lot, but was there some? A few. So here's my thing. I think that unless you have the time to like go right when they're opening in the morning and you could see them discounting everything and see where to go to get the discounts before people can snatch them up, go for it, do it. But I feel like we either just don't do it that much here in Southern California like they do in other places, or everyone's come and picked everything out and I was trying to find like what was left, which I did find a few things. If you're just a casual shopper like me, not a total crazy like gung-ho person, I think it's definitely worth it to stop by your local Ross and see what you may find. I mean, if you have the time, just do it. What can it hurt? Just like I did. I was able to find a few things in my couple of trips to Ross's. So in my head, I think it was a win. So let me know in the comments below if you were gonna go to a Ross. You were so good about it last time, letting me know if you found something, didn't find something. What has been your experience considering this is the last week in January and you know, it was supposed to have happened by now. So let me know what you found or didn't find. But before you do, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class.